Those who would trade our freedom for the soup kitchen of the welfare state have told us they have a utopian solution of peace without victory. They call their policy accommodation. And they say if we'll only avoid any direct confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose them are indicted as warmongers. They say we offer simple answers to complex problems. Well, perhaps there is a simple answer. Not an easy answer, but simple. If you and I have the courage to tell our elected officials that we want our national policy based on what we know.
Sleeplessly embracing butterflies and needles line my seamed up joint, encased in case I need it. In my stomach, on my heart, chainmail, hunger of the pine. Hunger of the pine. Sleeplessly embracing, yearns into me, plenty more days in the sea, and so you finally use it. Bedding with me, you see, at night your heart wears night armor. Hunger of the pine. Realization grew on me as quickly as it takes your hand to warm the cold side of the pillow. I'm there for you, be there for me. I'll hum the song the soldiers sing as they march outside our window. Hunger of the pine.
espérance
a traversé ma peau.